Hello, I'm Saskia and welcome to my studio. I'm so excited to make a necklace with you today. And though I won't be able to see it in person, I hope on social media you'll use the hashtag #MadeWithSaskia so I get to see all your beautiful creations. Whether you're old or young, I'm sure that you're going to make something beautiful and I really do hope you'll share it with me. You should have this super cute little velvet bag, which if I were you, I would use to store my necklace in once I was done making it. And inside we have two little baggies. We have the hardware bag, which has all the parts that you need to make the necklace, and it has little beads, so please be careful when you open it. And then the other one is the really fun one. It has all the beads that you need to create, and you'll be able to put them out in any order you want, and everybody, I'm sure, will make something different and unique, which is what makes it so exciting. In the next few videos, I'm going to show you the tools that you need. I'm going to give you some tips on how to design, and I'm also going to show you how to close the necklace. Let's get started. It's going to be a lot of fun.